What is up, y'all? We are back again in the Tessie, you feel me? Back with another Tesla talk, now I'm saying. Now, these Tesla talks, they're gonna be real raw, uncut, you feel me? Unedited. I'm gonna just speak from my mind, you feel me? I ain't finna do all the fancy edits and nothing like that. But I'm basically gonna answer y'all questions, any questions y'all have inside the comments down below. So if you have a question or another topic you want me to talk about in the next Tesla talk, I'm gonna comment down below. I want y'all to reply to that comment, whatever topic you want me to talk about. You can ask me like personal things. Let's say, yeah, my dog died, but I want to get into Dogecoin. What should I do? Like, ask me anything, you feel me? But if you have not read the title, today we're going to be talking about, this dude is looking at me talking to myself. He hired a dog. I wonder if he knows about Dogecoin. He over there bent over. No, I ain't finna show you that. But Dogecoin, right? That has been the hype recently. This lady is coming to look at me now too. This is crazy. But that has been the hype recently, Dogecoin. Everybody been talking about Dogecoin, this, Dogecoin, that, Dogecoin, this. A bunch of people been asking me what I think about Dogecoin, if I'm in Dogecoin, bada. Yes, I am in Dogecoin. I've been in Dogecoin for a very, very, very long time. I put mad people on Twitter, mad people, I made money from it. But there's something exciting happening actually today. Today, literally when I put up this video, Elon Musk, which is like, if you know what Dogecoin is, you know he's kind of spearheading it, he kind of spearheading it. Every time he posts on Twitter about Dogecoin, it shoots up 10%. So at that point, if I was Elon Musk, I'm putting $1 million into Dogecoin and I'm tweeting Doge to the moon. I'm gonna get out as soon as everybody else buys it because I tweeted it. I'm gonna just be rich. He's literally the richest person in the world right now, ain't he? I think so, because Tesla's stock went up. But basically, he's going to be on SNL, and supposedly he's supposed to be doing a skit with Dogecoin. So this whole week has been hype around Dogecoin. Everybody's like, yo, Dogecoin to the moon, Dogecoin to the moon, Dogecoin to the moon. Now, I'm going to tell you guys personally what I think. A lot of you guys have asked me if you guys should get into Dogecoin. I'm going to tell you exactly what I think. So if you don't know what Dogecoin is, right? If you did not watch my crypto video, go watch it. My last video I just put up, I kind of explained what cryptocurrency was and everything like that. Dogecoin itself technically has no real use. It was created as a joke. It was literally created as a meme. It's literally a meme coin. You guys know what the Doge symbol thing, right? The little dog thingy, you feel me? It was literally created as a joke, and it has just blown up due to social media. Now I'm going to tell you guys why that is important later on, but it's basically a coin that technically does nothing. Another bad thing about it is it has unlimited supply. So like, it's always being made. Like Bitcoin, there's a max amount of Bitcoin that can be in the entire world. There's a max amount of all these other coins that kind of keep it limited, therefore not making inflation a possibility. You feel me? You know, we all know the problem with the US dollar. US dollar, you hold your money inside your bank account, $10,000 in your bank account, you hold it in there for 10 years, and now it's only worth $9,000 or $8,000. Inflation is just, it's just a thing. And that's what cryptocurrency has been trying to kind of fix. But Dogecoin, you can make a freaking million, billion, gazillion Dogecoins, and that's the thing. There's no limited supply of Dogecoin, which is bad, like I said. But there are some pros to Dogecoin, right? Pros I'm gonna put out is it's funny. It's a joke. You feel me? Everybody loves a good laugh. You know what I'm saying? It's literally a meme, and everybody loves memes. But the thing about this meme is making people money. Like, it's making people real money. I know people who have made really, really, really good money off of this joke. You feel me? Do I think it's long lasting or longevity? Like, it'll be how I see people talking about, yeah, it's going to be the next currency. We're going to start using it instead of the US dollar. Do I believe that? I'm not 100% sure. I cannot say I do. I do not picture myself. Like right now, I think around 1,600 businesses, somewhere around there, are accepting Dogecoin as payments. But there's millions and millions of businesses in the US alone that are still not accepting Dogecoin. So do I think it's going to become mainstream where everybody's using it on a day-to-day basis? I don't believe so, but if it does, I would be happy. You feel me? Because I want everybody to win. You feel me? That would be lit. But do I think? I do not think so. I don't see why Dogecoin would be that coin versus Bitcoin or Ethereum or all these other coins who are actually like valuable in doing something. But the reason why I tell people they should invest into Dogecoin or not be scared to invest into Dogecoin. Now, let me put this in front of this video. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. I'm nothing. I'm just your friend. You feel me? I'm just trying to give you some nice advice from my point of view. So I tell people to invest into it, but don't invest money that you actually need. Invest your throwaway money. That's literally what I did. I put money in there. I was like, I'm gonna just throw a couple dollars in there, see what it does. And that couple dollars made me a lot of more dollars. You feel me? Like it's don't put money in there where it's like, dang, if I lose this, my whole life's over. I can't afford to live no more. I gotta move back in with my parents. I can't eat dinner. I gotta slide in Joovier's DMs asking for $5 on cash. Like, come on, do not do that. Put money you do not care about into it. It's not too late to still get into Dogecoin. I still believe it is going up. Just because of the market cap, I still believe it can grow a lot, especially because it's backed by so many influencers. Like, you guys have to realize, right? The main reason it's being pushed is because influencers are talking about it. It's all over freaking Twitter. It's all over, it's on news stations. I saw freaking CNN talking about it. It's all over, it's just all over social media. People's making memes about a meme coin. So it's growing. You have to understand, people pay, like companies pay social media people to promote their products, and it makes them mad money. You feel me? Like, people, companies, brands come to me. I'm a social media influencer, I guess you say, and brands will come to me and pay me to promote their product because they know the value of social media. They know the power of an influencer promoting something. It makes the people that they're promoting it to, the people that are influenced by that influencer, want to get that thing. So the fact that Dogecoin is getting all this free promo from all these celebrities, freaking Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, all these rappers and stuff like that, who they don't even know what stocks are or nothing. They just see Dogecoin, they making all this freaking money. It's being promoted by all these people for free. Dogecoin is not paying these folks to do, well, I don't know. They cannot be, they're not paying all these people to promote it. I'm making a whole YouTube video on it right now. They didn't pay me. I definitely know they did not pay me for this. I don't know about everybody else. I don't know if they missed me or somebody paid me Dogecoin, but literally all influencers are posting about it. Therefore, it's just making the world more, how do you say it, aware of the coin. And the more times you keep hearing something, oh, Dogecoin just went up 10%. Dogecoin just went up 50%. Dogecoin's up 1,000%. Subconsciously, it's gonna get in your head and it's gonna be like, okay, maybe I should put some money into it. So literally everybody's getting into it. Freaking old heads is getting into it who don't even know how to use phones. They be calling me like, yo, how do I get some Dogecoin? It's Dogecoin, Gramps. You feel me? Like, but I help you, Robinhood. You feel me? That's where I have my Dogecoin in. I want to move it over to Webull because Robinhood do be robbing the hood. I ain't even finna hold y'all. They be playing, not letting me trying to sell my stuff. But that's besides the point. What was I saying? Dang, I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, but it's being pushed by all these influencers. But that's really the only reason it's going up, technically. Dang, the sunlight get better right here. Aha! Crazy Tesla got a whole glass roof. Love to see it. I need to get some Windex. I just touched that. I don't like that. Anyways, but that's really the only reason why it's going up. There's no real reason it's going up as in any fundamental things that's happening that's making it go up. It's literally it's a clout coin. That's the perfect definition. It's literally a clout coin. But I mentioned before about Elon Musk being like the dude that spearheads it, right? He's been talking about it a bunch. When people think Dogecoin, they think Elon Musk. I don't even know why. I guess he was like the first big person to start pushing it a whole bunch. Mark Cuban is a freaking billionaire. Oh, Elon Musk does have more money than Mark Cuban, don't he? Yeah. But Mark Cuban, the owner of the freaking Mavericks, he be pushing it. I'm pretty sure he allows Dogecoin. He allows you to purchase, I think like merch or whatever with Dogecoin for the Mavericks. Like the Mavericks allow that. I'm pretty sure they do. I could be wrong. Or some company he has part of, they allow you to purchase stuff with Dogecoin. So, but like I was saying, Elon Musk is the one that's spearheading it. Something that's throwing me off, because a lot of people are skeptical. They're like, okay, what's going to happen today when Elon Musk goes on SNL? Is he going to talk about Dogecoin? Is he going to talk good about it, bad about it? Is the price going to go up, down, whatever it is? I'm conflicted, right? I'm confused. First of all, I talked about how Tesla now allows you to purchase Teslas with Bitcoin. If Elon Musk was so for Dogecoin, wouldn't he allow people to buy Teslas with Dogecoin? Like, I don't see the correlation with that. But also on the other side, it's probably the fact that, or it could be the fact that, there's a board of members on Tesla, so probably not all of them wanted or trust Dogecoin enough or believe in Dogecoin enough for them to accept it as a form of payment. But Elon Musk says it's going to be the currency of the freaking future. He literally just said that inside a interview or to some reporters. So if he believes in it that much, why would he not want it to be a payment option to buy a Tesla? Like I said, it could be because the board on Tesla does not want him or doesn't want to allow that, or it could be something else. But concerning this whole SNL thing that's coming up with Elon Musk, I think it can really, honestly, I'm about to give you the most profound information ever. It can go up or down, literally. I know that sounds simple, but it's literally simple. It's literally simple. It can either crash or actually can go three places. Crash, stay the same, or go up. I predict it goes up and then drops back down. Simply for the fact that Elon Musk is not going to trash talk Dogecoin, right? He has too much of it. He believes in it too much, or so he says. But I still believe he has such a large chunk of it. I haven't seen a huge drop off where it was like, oh, Elon Musk probably sold all his shares before he went on SNL. So he probably go trash talking on SNL in front of the whole freaking world, and everything's gonna drop. I personally, if he talks about it, which I think he will, he's gonna talk good about it. But do I think that's gonna push the price? Because this whole week, like I said, the price has been going up like crazy. Like it's at right now, making this, it's at 63 cents. I hope by the time I upload this, Dogecoin is at $10 and I'm rich and famous and I don't gotta ever work again in my entire life. But right now it's at like 63 cents, somewhere around there, give or take a couple cents. Last week it was at like 20, 30, somewhere around there, 20 to 30 cents or something like that. So it grew a whole bunch in this week. Once Elon Musk announced that he was going to be on SNL, and everybody assumes since he's going to be on SNL, he's going to talk about Dogecoin. You feel me? So the news is being built up. Everybody's buying into the news. But the difference between buying into the news and buying the event, right? You should buy, it's good to buy into the news, because when the news comes out, nobody knows for sure, and a lot of people have FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. So they're going to want to invest into it. But once it actually happens on SNL, I think it's going to be like a anticlimactic, and it's not really going to boom how people think it will. That's what I personally think. I think it might go up, but then drop back down hard. But that's just my personal thing. Would I suggest you get into it? Yes, I do. But put money you do not care about into it. So let's say you put $50 into it, or $100 or $1,000, whatever is money that you don't care about to you. Let's say you put it in there, right? Best case scenario, it shoots up on Saturday. You made a bunch of money. Worst case scenario, it goes down and you cry yourself to sleep that night. You got other nights to go to sleep peaceful, you feel me? But no, in all seriousness, if it does go down, yeah, it would suck. But I do think Dogecoin is gonna get higher than 60 cents and stay above it. You might miss the push, or this might not be the push that we're waiting for Dogecoin, this SNL thingy. But I do believe in the long term it will definitely pass this number again. So if I'm telling you to invest right now at 60 cents, I guarantee you, well, let me not guarantee, because I do not want to be sued if it does not happen. I personally believe it will go above 60 cents and stay above 60 cents. So for all you guys asking if you should get into Dogecoin, yes, buy some right now. But do not put money that you care about into it. Do not put your life savings. Do none of that. I promise you, it's not worth it. Just put money in there just so you know you got your foot in the door in case it does spike up. You could be like, oh, I was part of that. Yeah, I made money on Dogecoin too. Grandma, freaking ugly. You feel me? Yeah, but that's really it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Welcome to my thank you for listening to my Tesla talk. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Dogecoin to the moon, baby!